Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.